Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and you're safe at home. Good. Welcome back to your English classroom. So, hope you all are doing fine. So, in case you missed your previous topics, let's have a quick recap. Yes. So, first we were doing spellings. We have done the spellings for the chapter. Number 1, garden. Say with me, garden. 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 Number 2, found. What's the word? Found. 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 Number 3, cheery. What's the word? Cheery. 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 Number 4, little. Say with me, little. 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 Number 5, flowers. What's the word? Flowers. 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 Number 6, house. House. What's the word? House. house. Number 7, herd. What's the word? Herd. Heard. Herd. Number 8, window. What's the word? Window. 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 Number 9, opened. What's the word? Opened. 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 Number 10, whisper. What's the word? Whisper. 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 So let's say the spellings once again. Garden. 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 Found. 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 Cheery. 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 Little. Little. Flowers. 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 House. House. Herd. Herd. Window. Window. Opened. Opened. Whisper. Whisper. Very good. So I hope you all have studied the spellings for the chapter and you have learned the spellings and you have written the spellings. Very good. So let's start with today's topic. What's the topic? Here you go. Lesson number 1, write the meanings. What's the topic? Write the meanings. So you all know that for every word there is a meaning. For every word there is a meaning, right? So here are some words for you along with their meanings. Let's see the first word. Tiny. Tiny. What's the meaning? Very small. What's the meaning of tiny? Very small. So sometimes we say that this is a tiny toy. What is the meaning? That it is very small toy, right? Good. Number 2, quiet. What's the meaning of quiet? Silent. Yes, teacher always tells you to be quiet, to be silent in the class. Why? So that you can listen to the teacher nicely, right? So you need to be quiet in the class. So quiet, what's the meaning of quiet? Silent, to be silent. Number 3, beautiful. Beautiful. What's the meaning of beautiful? Pretty. Pretty. So we say that this is a beautiful flower. This is a beautiful flower. So what is the meaning? That is very pretty. It's a pretty flower. We also use beautiful when we are saying that my mother is looking very beautiful today. She is looking very pretty today. Like that also you can use, right? Good. So let's read the meanings once again. Tiny. Number 1, tiny. Tiny means very small. Number 2, quiet. 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 What's the meaning? Silent. 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 Number 3, beautiful. Beautiful. What's the meaning? Pretty. What's the meaning? Pretty. Very good. Let's come to the next topic. Yes. So our next topic is write the past tense. Write the past tense. Now, what do you mean by past? You will ask, teacher, what is the meaning of past? Past means, kids, what has happened before. What has happened before. Now, maybe yesterday something has happened. That will be called as past. That will be called as past. And which is going on right now, it is called as present. It is called as present. And what will happen tomorrow or in maybe after tomorrow, that is called as future. That is called as future. So, which has happened before, it is called as past. Which is going on right now, this time, it is called as present. And which will happen in the future or in the coming time, that is called as future tense. Okay. So, we will write the past tense today for the words. Okay. Number 1, live. What is the past tense for live? Lived. We are using the word D, the letter D. The letter D will add when we are saying the past tense for live. So what's the past tense for live? Lived. Very good. Number 2, say. What's the past tense? Said. Okay. Now, for example, you say that teacher, he said bad words to me. That means he has already said those words to you, right? So, it is already being said. It is in the past. It has happened before. So, say will become said. Number 3, come, came. Come, came. So, if I say that he came to my house before, he came to my house yesterday. So what has happened? That your friend has already come to your house yesterday. So how will you say he came to my house yesterday? Came. So come will become came. Number 4, take, took. Take, took. So, if I will ask, did he take your pencil? So, what will you reply to me? Yes, he took my pencil. He took my pencil because this has happened before. So, take, took. Number 5, find, found, find, found. Okay, I have found my toy. I have found my toy. I lost one toy and now I have found it. So something which has happened before, I will use it as the past tense. And for find it is found. And number 6, hear, heard. Hear, heard. Now, did you hear me? Yes, I heard the teacher. I heard the teacher. That already something has happened. I have said something and you heard me. You heard me properly, right? Very good. Let's say these past tense once again. Write the past tense. Number 1, live, lived. Live, lived. Number 2, say, said. Say, said. Number 3, come, came. Come, came. Number 4, take, took. Take, took. Number 5, find, found. Find, found. Number 6, hear, heard. Hear, heard. Very good. So today we studied the meanings, 3 meanings, that is tiny, very small, quiet, silent, beautiful, pretty. Those are the 3 meanings. And we have the past tense. 6 past tense we studied today. Live, lived. Say, said. Come, came. Take, took. Find, found. Hear, heard. Good. So that's all for today. You all did a great job, kids. We have studied. Write the meanings and past tense for the chapter. So till then, take care and meet you for the next class. Bye-bye.